Welcome viewers. I want to take you through the Parliament of OWLS, particularly the two rival camps in Parliament of OWLS, the Birds Kingdom. And this text, we have two camps there, particularly the night birds and omnivores, and then on the other range we have day birds and grain eaters. Night birds, we have Royal Owl, who is the lead, and King Tula Nyongoro. Also we have moneybags, MBS. We have red string owl, we have black string, we have ILO, Iron Lady Owl, who is a rebel. We have FB, feathered beak owl, and then we have SEO, straight-eyed owl, who is also playing as a rebel. And the daybird, which is also comprising the grain eaters, we have OF, who is Oyundi, the firefinch. We have OW, Sogo, the weaver bird. Then we have TT, Telltale, the woodpecker. We have AT, Arum TD, who is the ground hornbill. We have OBB, Ochongorio, the bulbul. And then we have a bangchef, the sparrow. We have also the crows, the parrots, swallows, swans, flamingos, crested cranes, ostriches, cocks, hen and duck. Then we have the lastly waterfall on that list. Other animals mentioned in the play include a man who is counted as a featherless evil creature, the lion, the dinosaur, the crocodile, the snake, the python, rats, frogs, Ogila Nyakarondo, who is the hare, Oliktiga, the bat, Ochunglo, the ants, and then Otitmach, the firefly. Thank you so much for listening and watching part of Parliament of All. I've been your host, KenKagali.